First of all, thank you for watching my video. Article 244A has once again come into discussion in Assam, mainly in Legislative Assembly. But this is not a new issue if we refer to older news and political statements. Most political parties in Karbi Anglong and surrounding tribal regions have consistently made only one demand. That is implementation of Article 244A. Now the question is, what is Article 244A? And if sixth schedule already exists, why is Article 244A is still being demanded? Now let me simplify this for you. Now what is sixth schedule? This sixth schedule provides a special administration for four northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram through autonomous district councils. And these autonomous district councils can make laws on forests, lands, marriage, and village administration, and so on. But remember one point here, their powers are limited. And moreover, they can't control law and order. In simple terms, this sixth schedule provides decentralized governance, that is self-governance, but within limits. And moreover, these autonomous district councils do not fall outside the authority of the state government. And this Article 244 Clause 2 is the gateway to the sixth schedule. Now tell me one thing, have you ever heard a state within a state? This Article 244A is associated with this concept. Now do you get the point? Why people are demanding this article? This article was added by the 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1969. That means it was not there in the original constitution. And moreover, it empowers Parliament. Remember this, it empowers Parliament to create a separate autonomous state with its own legislature or council of ministers within the state of Assam only in areas specified under sixth schedule. These are the tribal areas in Assam under sixth schedule. Now what makes the difference between sixth schedule and Article 244A? Unlike the sixth schedule, Article 244A is mainly allows a greater control over law and order. And moreover, sixth schedule provides district level autonomy, whereas 244A provides state level autonomy. So this makes Article 244A is more advanced than sixth schedule. I hope you enjoyed the lecture.